So hi, I'm Tyler. I'm the cardiologist. I'm going to talk to you about the different blood cells, the parts of the heart and its functions, and the blood vessels and its functions. So I'm going to start off with blood cells. There are two different types of blood cells. There's red cells and white cells. Red cells have an important job. Well, they both have an important job, but red cells carry oxygen around the body. When a red cell is filled with oxygen, it is oxygenated. It is a brighter shade of red. When it transfers this oxygen to a body part, it becomes a darker shade of red, deoxygenated. So white cells now. White cells are part of the immune system. They protect the body against foreign materials and diseases. If we did not have enough of them, well, we basically would die from all the bacteria around us. Yeah, and if we didn't have enough red cells, then none of our body parts would function properly. Okay, so now we're going to talk about the heart, its different functions and its parts. We have the superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava. Both bring deoxygenated blood up into the right atrium. The inferior from the bottom and the superior from the top. The heart then pumps, and it goes to the tricuspid valve, which is located right here. The tricuspid valve is a circular valve that's divided into three sections. It only opens one way. The reason is for this is the oxygenated and the deoxygenated blood don't mix. So then it goes through here. The heart pumps again. It goes up. There's another valve right here called the pulmonic valve. It's the same thing as the tricuspid valve. And then it goes into the pulmonary arteries, which take it up into the lungs. The lungs, then it pumps, the heart pumps again, it comes back through these pulmonary veins, because you know veins bring the blood back, into the left atrium. It pumps, goes through a bicuspid valve, which is here. The bicuspid valve is the same thing as the tricuspid valve, but only divides into two. It goes into the left ventricle, and then it pumps again, and it sends blood everywhere. Like over here, the aorta leads it upwards. Yes, exactly. The aorta leads it upwards, these leave it downwards. Everyone's happy. I'm happy!
Okay, so I'm going to talk to you about arteries now. Arteries are the blood vessels that take blood away from the heart. So, arteries are the largest form of blood vessels. They're pretty thick, and they're filled with an elasticy material. So when the heart pumps, the elasticness can stretch it and pull it out and everything, so that blood can travel easier through the whole artery. And that's arteries for you.
Okay, so now I'm going to talk to you about capillaries. Now capillaries are really small, so once an artery gets close to an organ that needs oxygen, it then splits off into capillaries. Capillaries are only one cell thick. So the reason it's only so thin is because it can exchange gases back and forth between its walls. So it exchanges the oxygen for the carbon dioxide. So it gives oxygen to the part needed, and then the part's good to go. And then it'll take back through the veins, which Dennis will now talk about.
Okay, well, veins are slightly smaller than arteries, and they're the little blood vessels that take blood back to the heart. And yeah, that's really all about them. They're not really special.
Alright, good. An apple. Good for your heart or not?
I can go twice
Ding, 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 ding. Good.
Take a look. It's in a book.
Paper towel. Good for your heart or not? Not. Orange juice. Good for your heart or not? Matthew challenge. Good! Ding ding ding. The box of a juice box. Good for your heart or not? Matthew's an idiot. G.
Yeah, testing 1, 2, 3 to test the wind.
Yeah. Wind! 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 Wind!
It's gonna be the bloopers.
Yeah, we can make bloopers if you look at.
muscle, we normally try different movements.
Hey everybody, this is Tyler the nutritionist here. I mean, no, you retard. Hey everybody.
Yes! Tell me nothing.
To feel, I messed that up. I can't work.
Matthew part, take 28.
Yeah! We need more oxygen and function. And to function.
Oh, the sun looks so cool with the thing. That's so awesome. It's filming.
We're from killers. What?
Remember. What?
Jason can't remember because he forgot.
Remember.
Protect the body against foreign materials and diseases. If we did not have enough white cells.
Okay, just.
No, I'm gonna reach upwards into the right atrium. The heart then pumps, and then pumps it into the and your oxygenated and deoxygenated blood doesn't mix together.
Whatever, just continue.
As Dennis did, we're gonna start in the right atrium over here. And
Stop touching me, you retard! La 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 la! Who are you? I'm Leon! Oh my god, a zombie! Nice to meet you. Falcon! Do it. And then he must leave. That's G. Ninja! What you gone?
Oh no, I'm stuck!
Ow! Ah, my leg.
what you gone? What you gone? What you gone? What you gone? What you gone?
La 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 la.
Hi, mommy.
Okay, you come on, come on.
What you gone?